Good morning, dear students. I hope that everyone is fine at home. So, let's start today's lecture with our new chapter, Chilling at the North Pole. And this chapter is written by author Suhail Seth, who has taken this extract from Times of India. If we talk about author Suhail Seth, he is founder and managing partner of consultancy firm of India. Seth is also a communist, actor, keynote speaker and a TV pundit. Now we'll talk about this chapter, and in this chapter the author is just talking about his own experience of trip to at the North Pole, and is explaining his adventures in an intensely deep manner that makes you feel as if you were there and could see what happened with him during his trip. Now, first of all, I will read this paragraph and then I'll explain you difficult meaning of difficult words and explain the paragraph as well. So let's start, students. When I began planning for the trip, not one person I spoke to thought I was sane. They told me of the problems I would encounter and how grueling the regimen would be. I was also informed of the extremities of the weather and the fact that the region had hardly experienced any human traffic. So, dear students, difficult words in this are, first of all, sane. Sane means of sound mind. The next is encounter. Encounter means meet. Another one is grueling. Grueling means physically or mentally demanding to the point of exhaustion. Then regimen. Regimen means the systematic procedure of a natural phenomenon or process. Through this paragraph, author expressed that when he was planning for the trip at North Pole, then everyone thought that he is out of his mind and informed him about the problems which he could face there and about the weather condition also, which was very harsh over there, and hardly any person could reach there. Now the next paragraph, I have been to almost every place on the planet except for the Arctic and Antarctica. That was the first reason to make the trudge to the Arctic. I wanted to alter the leitmotif of taking vacations. For me, the trip was as much about the travel as about the challenges that lay ahead. Yes, now in this paragraph, we can say difficult words are, first of all, trudge. And meaning of this is walk slowly with heavy steps because of exhaustion. Then another word which is difficult in this, that is alter. Alter means change. Then we have leitmotif. Leitmotif means specialized phrase or other feature that is repeated frequently in a work of art or literature. So, in this paragraph, the author is explaining that he had visited so many places, almost every places, but he never visited Arctic and Antarctica. Because of that, he walked slowly with heavy steps due to exhaustion. He wanted to change the phrases to take vacations, and for him, trip was just to adopt all the challenges which were coming ahead in his way. Now the next paragraph, I arrived in Bergen, which is in the southwest of Norway, to take the ship to the Arctic Circle. From there we began a 12-day journey, of which 5 would be without any form of communication, no internet, mobile, or any form of contact with the outside world. So before you read on, ask yourself if you can be with yourself for 5 days, not knowing what is going on in this world. So dear students, what we just come to know through this paragraph, that the author further just explain about his trip by saying that he took ship to Arctic Circle after arriving to Bergen, from where he started 12-day journey, out of which 5 days he had no communication with outside world. He was no link, he was not having any form of contact with the outside world. So he was just asking you people that you just ask yourself if you could be or you can be with yourself for 5 days without knowing what is going on in this world.